Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Real quick, wanted to do a installation, kind of unboxing installation video for our Holosun AEMS. Now, I already did an unboxing video of this optic, so if you haven't seen that already, check it out. We talk about this a little bit more. Today's video is simply like, here's our night vision gun that we're building, and I'm gonna throw the optic on it. So, pretty boring video, but let's go ahead and check it out. Just in case you hadn't seen our unboxing video, maybe you'll be able to learn or see some more about this optic. So I like Holosun. Typically, that's kind of what I've gone with so far. I've tried out the EOTech. So EOTech was kind of my first optic. And then, I kind of got introduced to Holosun, and now I kind of feel like I buy all their things. So, okay, here's the front. We're lined up that way. It's already got the battery in it. We're just gonna loosen up the side, and I'm gonna kind of mount it as far forward as I can on the arrow upper here. So again, guys, if you haven't seen our first video introducing what we're doing here, I'm building kind of a night vision build. So that's what we're doing here. And the Holosun AEMS has 2 night vision settings. All right, there we go. So, okay, we are ready to roll. This thing is mounted. It's ready to go. It turns on. Let me see if I can capture the laser with my phone real quick. Okay guys, there you go. That's probably a fatter laser than what you'd actually see in real life. It's a pretty precise laser. Doesn't look quite as fat as that, but there you go. The phone does, kind of show that laser coming through. Okay guys, well there you go. This is on, we're ready to roll. The next thing we're probably gonna do is open up our maul, our C1 Myers maul. Check out that video. Be sure to check out the unboxing of the maul C1 from BE Myers. We're gonna check that out. We're kind of like look at it compared to the D-Ball 2 and the D-Ball A3 when we do that. So be sure to check out that video. Thanks again for watching this quick, very quick installation video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of all of our latest and greatest videos. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching.